Another unboxing for today. It's for Z1000 Kawasaki slip-on set exhaust na Austin Racing. Siya kadarating lang from DHL delivery as usual. Need to open it for you guys to see how it looks like before I send it to LBC, before I send it to my client, to LBC. So this set is a slip-on left and right na AR. The material is full real titanium and carbon fiber. So teka, bas po na natin lahat para makita nyo yung mas maganda. So ayan siya. Ito yung sa right side and the other one. Yung for the left side. Okay, siya sa plastic yan para makita nyo gaano kaganda. So yun yung lahat ng laman ng box. Ito yung mga parang clamp holder nya, I mean yung clamp na mag-hold dun sa mid pipe punta dun sa stock elbow na catalytic. Tingnan natin. And this another envelope is the logo. Ito yung logo. Sticky there. So you have two choices which one you want to use. This one is an aluminum made logo. So yeah, emblem. This one is a sticker paper made logo. Yan. And this one yung mga stainless na ano, yung spring and rivet, may kasama siya. And yung mga extra na built-in bracket. So yan, may kasama siyang built-in bracket and yung extra na rivet para i-rivet na lang nung magkakabit. Yan, ito yan. Yung kasama niyan. Yan, ayun o. So this one is a titanium material also. Yeah, it's a titanium. Ito. Para dito yun sa ano. Siyempre, it comes with the rivet, yung pinakabala niya. Yan o. Sorry. Ito, dito kasi yan. Yan, so, pwede na lang gawin ganyan para may built-in bracket. So sadyang it's intended not to attach para mas mai-pwesto ng maayos nung magkakabit. Since ganito lang ang request ng client na wala siyang nakakabit, nag-request na rin kami ng ganito para just in case gusto niyang ikabit, meron na nito. So ito yung AR na handmade titanium, buo pati yung mid pipe niya sa handmade titanium. So medyo pricey pero the best yung quality niyan and looks. Hindi siya basta-basta. Yan. Also yung carbon parts nito is Toray carbon from Japan. So ayan siya, slip on set for Z1000 Kawasaki. So yan, tingnan yan, left and right side. So ito nga, again, it comes with the spring, syempre spring holder. Ayan. And ito yung clamp, stainless clamp para dito. Yeah, it's for here sa mid pipe. Ito lahat yun. Pwede naman yung sa stock yun ang gagamitin. And yung built-in bracket, yung bracket holder, dalawa siya siyempre, left and right. Dito pwede mo siyang i-rivet. Yeah. Pwede rin naman nakaganto na pag o-order kayo, pwede nang ipakabit to, naka-attach siyang ganyan, naka-rivet na agad. Since yung order ng client ko is ganito lang, ayan ang nakakabit na ganito, so pinadala ko lang siya ng ganito, an option, kumbaga optional, bahala na siya kakabit niya o hindi. So ayan, you can see the works of a handmade exhaust. Ganyan siya kaganda. Yan, slip on set yan, slip on set with comes with mid pipe elbow for Z1000. Yung logo hindi ko na ikakabit, bahala na si client kung ano gusto niya dyan sa dalawa, either the emblem aluminum, ganyan yan yan, ganyan yan or yung sticker. Yan, it's up to him na lang which one he wants to use. So I'm just showing it to you guys how it looks like, the handmade works, kung gaano sila kagaganda. A bit pricey but the quality is great, and the craftsmanship also syempre. Yan siya, yung mga kasama niya. Ito, yeah, that's it. Gusto nyo umorder, just PM me. I'm always online naman. You can accept all your messages or calls anytime. Anytime at working hours syempre. So ayan, gusto nyo umorder, PM lang kayo. Just to remind again, this is a handmade full real titanium with Toray carbon parts Japan materials. Okay, for Z1000 Kawasaki.